In this video, we're going to be removing the background in an image without using Photoshop. If you have an image that is a pure white background, this makes it really easy to do an Insta Alpha background. Just go up to the tool icon, over to the Insta Alpha, select the background just by clicking and dragging a little, it'll turn pink. Then you can hit the delete button, and since it's a JPEG converting to a PNG, we're going to have to hit convert. So the background is removed, so now we're going to have to save it. Make sure the alpha button down below is turned on and you're saving as a PNG. From there, click and drag to import it into your Motion project, resize it, and add effects as needed. Don't forget when saving to collect the media. This makes sure the file is saved in a location that is always accessible when you open this project. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to know what you're going to use this information for, and see you in the next one.